Before your kindergartner ever reads a book, there are 3 tiny sound games that predict whether reading will feel easy or frustrating. And the best part, you can practice all 3 in 5 minutes at your kitchen table. I'm Rebecca, a literacy specialist and teacher of 15 years, and those 5 minutes matter more than most parents realize. Because when kids struggle with reading, everyone assumes it's a letter problem. So they do more word drills, more phonics practice. But almost every time, the real issue is underneath. It's a sound problem. Kids can know every letter of the alphabet and still not be able to read because reading requires something most alphabet activities never actually teach. And that's exactly what we're doing today. Let's start with the skill that matters most for actual reading. That's phoneme segmentation. Phoneme segmentation means breaking a word into its individual sounds. Not syllables, not letter sounds. Cat isn't k-a-t, it's k-a-t. Here's how to practice it. You're gonna hold up one hand and tap one finger for each sound. So cat is k-a-t. There's 3 sounds. Let's try a trickier one. Ship. That's 4 letters, but it has only 3 sounds. Sh, I, p. If a child can't hear individual sounds inside a word, decoding is impossible. And the research is clear on this. Phoneme segmentation predicts reading success more reliably than letter name knowledge alone. This is the foundation, but being able to hear the sounds is only the first step. Now we need to connect those sounds to print. Everyone knows the alphabet song, but it teaches letters like a chain, which means kids can only find a letter by running through the whole sequence to get there. But reading requires instant recognition. Any letter, any order, any word. Here's what to do instead. You can lay out 5 or 6 letter cards and name each one out loud together. Then point to them one at a time and ask, what's this one? And once they can do that, flip one card over and ask, which one's missing? The goal is simple. They should be able to look at any letter and just know it. When a child can retrieve individual letters automatically, their brain frees up capacity for harder work. And that's exactly where we're going next. This is where everything we've built comes together. We're going to change one sound in a word to make a new word. So you can lay out letter cards to spell the word cat. Then change the k sound to What's the new word? Mat. Then swap the card and keep going. Cat, mat, sat. Now switch the vowel. Sit, sip. Now switch both. Tip, top. When a child struggles to read, everyone goes back to the drills and the worksheets. But the real gap is almost always underneath. It's in the sound manipulation. Here's what I want you to take away from this. Your child doesn't need more drilling. What they need is practice manipulating sounds, pulling words apart, moving sounds around, and putting them back together. That's the work that makes everything else possible. If you want more activities like these, then check out my playlist, Fun Play-Based Reading Activities. The link is right here, and I'll see you there.